Hello, and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's video, we're talking about pens and pencils. So let's get started. When was the last time you bought a pen or pencil? You could say, I bought a pen a couple of weeks ago. Or I purchased a new pen just a few weeks back. Do you usually use a pen or pencil? I mostly use pens for writing. Or pens are my go-to choice for writing most of the time. Do you prefer to write with a pen or with a pencil now? I prefer using a pen for its smoothness. At present, I lean towards using pens due to their smoother writing experience. How often do you buy pens and pencils? I buy pens and pencils whenever I run out. I tend to restock my supply of pens and pencils whenever they're depleted. What types of pens and pencils do you buy? I usually buy gel pens and regular wooden pencils, or my preference lies with gel pens. I also offer high-quality wooden pencils. When you went to school, did you learn to write with a pen or a pencil? I initially learned to write with pencils in school, or during my school years I started by learning to write with pencils. How would you feel if you got a pen or a pencil as a gift? I would appreciate a pen or a pencil as a thoughtful gift. Receiving a pen or pencil as a gift would be a gesture I'd value, as they are useful and practical items. So that's all the questions we have for today. Next episode, I'm reading the passage. Please read along with me. It's intended to give you more insight into the topic at hand. The earliest forms of writing were etched in the stone, clay tablets, and papyrus using rudimentary tools such as chisels, styluses, and reeds. These early implements were often cumbersome and required significant effort to produce even simple texts. However, they laid the foundation for the development of more refined writing tools. Scribes, scholars, and poets used quill pens to create manuscripts and documents of great historical significance. The quill pen revolutionized writing during the Middle Ages. Made from bird feathers, quills provide a more controlled and fluid writing experience compared to previous tools. The 19th century saw the emergence of the fountain pen, a more practical and efficient writing instrument. Fountain pens utilize an ink reservoir and a nib to deliver a consistent flow of ink, eliminating the need to repeatedly dip the pen. This innovation significantly improves the writing experience and laid the groundwork for modern pen designs. The mid-20th century introduced the ballpoint pen, a pen with a tiny ball in its tip and rotated as it moved across the paper, transferring inks. This technology made pens more reliable, portable, and accessible to the general public. Ballpoint pens quickly became the go-to writing for everyday use. These tools combine the convenience of modern technology with the sensory experience of traditional writing. The digital age has brought more about new ways of writing and communicating. Touchscreens and styluses have transformed devices like tablets and smartphones into writing platforms, allowing users to write, draw, and create digitally. As technology continues to advance, the future of writing instruments remains dynamic. Smart pens that digitally capture handwritten notes, 3D printing pens, and other illustrative tools are redefining how we put pen to paper or screen. Despite these advancements, traditional writing instruments retain their charm and enduring appeal. The evolution of writing instruments reflects the human desire to communicate efficiently and creatively. From ancient markings to digital innovations, writing tools have shaped the course of history and continue to play a role in modern society. Thank you for listening. I hope you found that insightful. Next up is our range of vocabulary that I want you to take away and incorporate into your daily life. Evolution, invention, primitive, rudimentary, ingenuity, foundation, revolutionist, reservoir, nib, consistent, accessibility, enduring, dynamic, charm, sensory, captivate, efficiency, creativity, manuscript, historical significance, fluid, portability, convenience, digital age, advancement. Lay the foundation. Go to. Put pen to paper. Play a pivotal role. Shape the course of history. Bring about change in modern society. And lastly, we have our paraphrasing activity. Please have a go at rewriting these in your own words at home. When did you most recently purchase a pen? Do you typically employ a pen or pencil? Do you have a current preference for writing with a pen or pencil? The essence of foundation pens lies in their mix. The preference of many people often leans towards ballpoint pens due to their convenience. The advent of the pencil marked a reverent shift in the realm of writing. And lastly, the descriptions, which are on your own for that one. As always, thank you for listening. I'll see you on the next one.